so cool.
Alright guys, it is time for us to get home here. Definitely a fantastic.
He's coming right at you, see him?
Yeah.
Water.
Hope you get that.
We got a baby.
He's gonna pop up again.
That's the whole package.
Woo, look at that guy.
Both the baby and the big whales all in one trip. But you guys are some of the lucky too.
Oh, that's great. Wow. There's a whole bunch of them all through there. That's a cool shit.
He said 40 to 70 in a group, man.
Yeah.
Wow.
Spend the whole day out here doing this.
Yeah. There they go. We're leaving.